Well, adventurers, together we did it. We have achieved 1,000 plus subscribers to our YouTube channel. We have achieved 1,000 plus subscribers to our YouTube channel, and we could not have done it without you guys. So thank you so much to everybody who participated in the contest, everybody else who helped us out. But here's the thing. Now you remember I said there's a stretch goal, and we have now hit 1,000 subscribers, which is definitely cause for celebration. But we already had plans for this weekend, so we're not going to be able to do the prize drawing until the following weekend, which means we've got some time to stretch things out. And if we can hit that stretch goal, then you know what? That means more prizes for everybody to have a chance to win. So adventurers, here's what we're going to do. That stretch goal is 1,050 subscribers. That's a lot more than just 1,000, but we can do it. So we're gonna give the whole contest one more week. And then next weekend, we're gonna draw. If we hit the stretch goal, there's more winners, more prizes. If we don't hit the stretch goal, everybody's still in for the prizes. So that's what we're gonna do. Most of all, a big celebration from us for hitting 1,000. Thank you for all the work you did to help us get there. And we are so excited about the content coming up. We've got more Antarctica. We've got some great other specials. It's all coming for you. Just keep tuning in, and remember to cache safely and cache often.